Once upon a time, in a sunny coastal town in Australia, lived two adventurous siblings, Kai and Mia. Kai loved trying new flavours, and Mia loved baking sweet treats, but neither of them had much experience in cooking. One bright morning, a sparkling envelope floated through their window. Inside was a golden ticket with a note. Join the magical cooking adventure across Australia. Learn, cook, and discover life skills that last forever. Excited, Kai and Mia held hands, and in a swirl of sparkling light, they were whisked away to Sydney, where the smell of fresh bread and the salty sea filled the air. A cheerful chef named Chef Olivia greeted them. "Welcome. Today we'll make Anzac biscuits, a classic Australian treat," she said. Kai carefully measured oats and coconut, while Mia stirred the mixture with delight. "Cooking teaches patience," Chef Olivia said. "Some things need time to bake perfectly, and learning patience helps in all parts of life." Next, their magical ticket took them to Brisbane, where Chef Liam showed them how to make veggie-packed meat pies. Kai rolled out the pastry, while Mia chopped colourful vegetables. They laughed when a few vegetables tumbled onto the floor, learning that mistakes were part of the fun. "Cooking teaches teamwork," said Chef Liam. "Helping each other makes the work easier and more enjoyable." Then, in Melbourne, Chef Sophie taught them to make lamingtons, sponge cakes dipped in chocolate and rolled in coconut. Kai carefully cut the sponge, and Mia dipped the pieces into chocolate, giggling when some dripped onto the table. "Cooking teaches responsibility," Chef Sophie said. "Following steps carefully ensures your food turns out well and is safe to eat." Finally, they travelled to Perth, where Chef Noah introduced them to a creative twist on fruit skewers with native bush honey drizzle. Kai arranged colourful fruits, and Mia added the honey in fun patterns. "Cooking teaches creativity," said Chef Noah. "You can mix flavours, colours and shapes to make every dish uniquely yours." By the end of their journey, Kai and Mia had learned 1. Patience. Some things take time and care. 2. Teamwork. Helping each other makes tasks easier and more fun. 3. Responsibility. Following instructions carefully ensures success. 4. Creativity. You can invent and make your dishes special. Back home in their coastal town, Kai and Mia opened a little kitchen stall for neighbours. They served Anzac biscuits, meat pies, lamingtons, and fruit skewers with big smiles. Their magical adventure had taught them that cooking was more than making food. It was a way to learn life skills, share joy, and explore Australia's flavours. And from that day on, every meal they cooked was a little magical adventure of its own. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.